And I'm pleasantly surprised. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, let's talk about the Tresemme hair mask. The price of this hair mask is 600 rupees for 300 ml of quantity, and most of the times it is available at a good discount. So this hair mask comes in this very simple plastic tub packaging. It has a very creamy texture. The application is very smooth and it is very easy to apply and spread all over the hair strands. This is the complete ingredient list. It is SLS free, but it does contain silicones in it. And these are all of the hair conditioning ingredients that they have added. These are all of the viscosity controlling ingredients. And these are some of the preservatives that they have used in it. Now, as usual, let's start this review by talking about all that they have to say about this hair mask on their website. They say it has 5 smoothing benefits in one. It fights frizz, detangles knots, adds softness, boosts shine, tames flyaways. They haven't made any over-the-top claims, and I'm pleasantly surprised. Now, everything that they have claimed, I have observed that it does work in that way. It does help in reducing frizz. They say it fights frizz. So yeah, it does help in reducing a lot of frizz in the hair. It does give a shine. Now, I have used the hair mask yesterday evening, and this is how my hair looks after it is dry. It does give a little bit of shine to the hair. My hair is naturally wavy, and I haven't used any blow dryer, any styling creams or any sprays. This is just naturally how it looks. It has a little bit of shine. There is less frizz as compared to other times, so it does work pretty well. So it also helps in detangling knots while applying the hair mask. It does apply smoothly, and any knots that are there in the hair, it does get rid of that. And it also helps in taming all of the flyaways and makes the hair very smooth, soft and manageable. They also claimed it adds softness to the hair, which is very true. The only thing is it does contain silicone, so a lot of people who avoid silicone based hair care products, they wouldn't be able to try this one because of the silicones. But I want to mention that I have used another hair mask. Quantity of silicone was very high in that one, but in this particular hair mask, it is quite less as compared to that one. Even though it does contain silicone, but it doesn't give that excess silicone effect, which I did not like with most of the other products, and that is why I switched to silicone free hair care products. But this one does work very well for my hair, and it has that perfect balance which I want. Like, it gives that manageability to the hair. At the same time, it doesn't feel like too that if there is like excess silicone, it makes it look very unnatural. I don't like it that way when the hair becomes too straight and too unnatural, like because my hair is like little bit wavy, so I like when it looks natural like this. I'll quickly share how I like to use this hair mask. After I have used shampoo in my hair, I allow the hair to become damp, and once all the excess water is I was going to say oil once all the water has been like removed from the hair and the hair is like nice and damp, that is when I apply it to the strands of the hair. I don't apply it in the scalp, and I apply it and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, it is written on the product packaging to keep it for only 2 to 3 minutes, but I think 10 minutes is a good decent time for me to have that proper hair conditioning and that smoothing sort of effect of a hair mask. So after 15 minutes, I then rinse it off, all of the hair mask, and that is how I like to use it. I did not notice any negative of this product. The only thing is it does contain silicone, so people who don't use silicone based products might not be able to try this. But in case you don't mind silicones, then you can definitely give this a try. Ingredient list is decent, but overall I really love this hair mask. I would highly recommend this because this one is affordable too and available so easily everywhere. So that is all from my overall review of the Tresemme Deep Smoothing Hair Mask. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such hair care and skincare reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos from the description box below. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.